Okay. It is Andre Jacob, director of WASA. In 1976, Dr. Bill Hitler, co-founder of the National Wellness Institute, developed the first wellness wheel. Today, the 8 dimensions consist of physical wellness, emotional wellness, financial wellness, occupational wellness, social wellness, environmental wellness, and also spiritual wellness and intellectual wellness. If you adopt this holistic approach to wellness, the results speak for itself. 30% lower turnover, 20% increase in productivity, and higher employee engagement and satisfaction. Join WASA today and become a leader in building a healthier, happier, and more productive workforce.